Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 51. Which of the following fruits disperses its seeds by explosive mechanism? A. Casalpinia, B. Combretum, C. Cotton, D. Desmodium, and E. Tridax. So we are asked for the fruit that disperses its seed by explosive mechanism. Now, most of the fruit that disperses their seeds by explosive mechanism are dry dehiscent fruits. They are mostly dry dehiscent fruits. They disperses their seed via what? This explosive mechanism. An explosive mechanism is a self-dispersal mechanism because it does not involve external agents. So explosive mechanism, you can see, is a self-dispersal mechanism because it does not involve what? External agents intervention. And this mechanism forcibly what? Eject the seeds and scatter them some distance away from the parent plant. So it simply involves what? It ejects the seeds and then scatter these seeds, scatter them some distance away from the parent plants. An example of the dry dehiscent fruits that disperses its seed via explosive mechanisms includes the acacia, the casalpinia, the balsam fruits, and the oil bean fruits. And from our options here, you see that option A is casalpinia. So casalpinia is a fruit that disperses its seeds by explosive mechanism, and that is the answer to this question, A, casalpinia. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.